Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial by codePlanet. So in this tutorial we will be going over algorithms, bugs and debugging, and some more concatenation. So the first thing we will do is create a new project, so Python. Name this Concatenation and create your REPL. So I'll just do a much simplified version, so let's just create a project. Let's just create x equals no wait, I'll just go first name. First name equals, let's just say John. Last name equals Doe. So we'll just have that for now. And we have our variables, and let's concatenate these. We can also create another variable called full underscore name, and the full name will be first underscore name plus last underscore name, and we will do print full, oops, not like that, full underscore name. And that's our code today, and I'll just break this down for you. So we were asking Python to store John as the first name for the variable and Doe as the last name variable, and we are concatenating these together over here in the full name variables, so first name plus last name, and we are asking Python to print this to console, the full name. So if we run this, John Doe. Now as John Doe is working, I'll go over what an algorithm is. So an algorithm is step-by-step procedure to get your code to do what you want. So this is an algorithm. So we're asking Python to store our variables, concatenate our variables in another variable, and to print it to console. So that is an algorithm. And sometimes in our algorithms we'll have bugs and debugs. So a bug that could be here is if this was in quotations. If this was in quotations, this wouldn't give us the result we wanted. So as you can see, it prints full name. It doesn't actually print John Doe. So to fix a bug, it's called debugging. So debugging is fixing your bugs to make your code run properly. So if we were to debug this code, we would remove quotations. And if we run this, John Doe. Another bug that would be more obvious to spot is if we spelled one of these variables wrong. So if full underscore name equals first name plus last name, let's say we forgot like the underscore here. It was just last name, no underscore, and we run this, you can see that Python says there's like an error, and it will say what the error is and where it is. So as you can see in line 4, we have the error, and this is line 4, and it tells you where the error is. Error name, last name is not defined. It says last name is not defined as we haven't defined our variable yet. As last name was never defined, we never typed in last name. We did last underscore name. And now if we rerun this, you can see it works properly. So that'll be the code for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe, and that's it.